bass. Ano lua ina.
Thank you, Auntie. Stop it, bro.
In 1996, also being honored over there musically, along with his brother Saul. Man, when these two brothers used to sing, ooh, unreal. When I was in school, Kamehameha schools, they broke everybody into parts. Tenor 1, tenor 2, baritone, bass. I was one of the bassists. But when I would hear these two brothers sing, I'd think, oh man, I gotta sing like that. From Kahakuloa Maui, also pleased to have him here with us this evening. Ohana. Nice round of applause, please. Uncle Rick.
Mahalo ya oko, aloha. As we travel from here to there, as we come together, I want to thank the person that's wise and larger in my heart and yours. I call him the Lord Jesus Christ. Here, fathers, mothers, children, ohana, visitors, learn to respect, learn to love, and learn to share hanaliki together. Kupuna has taught us this wonderful song. I'd like to present this from the Kupuna of Kahakuloa village to all of you here that they have put together for many years. And it goes something like this. Oh my Ke aloha Mahalo, love you, aloha.